In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the HLOOKUP function in Google Sheets. So with the HLOOKUP function, what this function is doing is looking up whatever data we want to return horizontally. And so in this case, what I want to do is pull the bonus data from this horizontal data here into our vertical table here. And I'm going to use, because this information is horizontal, I'm going to use the HLOOKUP. Hit enter, HLOOKUP, and the search key is going to be here. Hit comma. The range we want to search will be here. Drag all this to the end. I want to lock this in place. I'm hit F4, comma. The index, what row within this data do we want? And it's going to be the third row. Type in 3. And is the data sorted? The data isn't sorted, so I'm going to type false. But also by typing in false, we're basically saying we want the exact match. False, close parentheses, hit enter, and it gives me 10%. I'm going to drag this down, and you notice I have NAs within this data. I don't want to show this, so what I'm going to do to get rid of these NAs is I want to put the H function within another function, the FNA, comma, hit parentheses. I'm going to add a comma here, and I don't want to show anything, so I'm going to do question mark, not question mark, but parentheses, parentheses. I'm going to hit quotes, quotes, and close parentheses, because basically I'm saying if there's a NA, don't show anything in that cell. Hit enter. Then I'm going to drag this down to the bottom, and those NAs disappear. So that's how you use the HLOOKUP function, or do a horizontal lookup within Google Sheets.
Now the algorithm thinks you would enjoy this video next.